Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making crunchy, nutty and delightful peanut biscuits. They're simple, full of flavor and perfect for your tea time. Let's get started with this tasty recipe. Take half cup roasted peanut. Add half cup sugar. Blend into a smooth mixture and pour into a bowl. Now add 1 cup flour, 2 teaspoon milk powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon baking powder. Sieve and mix well. Add 3 tablespoons oil, mix until you get a soft dough. Now take 1/4 cup peanuts, add 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. Take small portion from the dough shape into biscuits. Use roasted peanut for a deeper flavor. Blend sugar and peanuts finely for a smooth dough. Coat lightly with peanut and sesame seeds. Grease a 7-inch mold with oil. Place baking paper. And place the biscuits. Peanuts are packed with protein and healthy fats. Sesame seeds add calcium and fiber. You can reduce the sugar and still enjoy the taste. Baking at home helps avoid preservatives found in packaged biscuit. Preheat a pan with wire stand for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the mold, cover and cook for 15 to 18 minutes. Your delicious peanut biscuits are ready. Thanks for watching Enoven Cake and Cookies. Enjoy your homemade treats with family and friends. Stay happy, stay baking. And don't forget to subscribe to Enoven Cookies for more tasty recipes.